types to put your keywords in. First thing is there are three different options you have. 1, 2, 3. In the first box you will have to input your keywords. Okay, this is for keyword. Okay, and next second one you will enter the landing page as you are telling. Okay, so you can either put full URL, say PPC Workshop India, or you can say PPC Workshop India slash a page wherever whatever you want to, like whatever portions or
agenda,
contents, agenda, whatever. Okay, that type of will get you the specificity. Okay, so it is when you build campaigns, it is recommended that you will go with the landing page. Okay, not necessarily you will have some 100, 200 pages, right? Normally, when you start off, you will start off with some 5, 10 pages of website. So it shouldn't be a big problem for you to like go into specific landing pages and landing page URLs and then input your keywords, so that you will find some relevancy. Okay, your tool will segregate those into different ad groups, but still it is always recommended that you will have to have this content, the landing page URL. Okay, so you put your keywords, you put your landing page URL, and then you will have one more category called the product or service that you are offering. Okay, there are some 20-25 different categories or verticals that you can say. Okay, so inside those verticals you have sub verticals and so on. So if you are very specific about your vertical, highlight, you just have to choose. Okay, you cannot input your own vertical, you cannot make your own vertical. Okay, it has some drop downs. Inside that it has sub verticals too. Okay, those subcategories you just have to opt in. Okay, you, for example, now this is if you are analyzing PPC Workshop India, this comes under which category?
Trading and learning.
Internet.
First internet, yeah. First internet. Inside that, training and education or whatever, something like that comes. Okay, and yeah, you can highlight the third one. Okay, training and education. Okay, so when you put training and education, you will start getting your system will throw you a list of keywords. Okay, there are some more options also to input, like the targeting. Okay, initially when keyword tool was around, we used to get once you target to India, for example, or Bangalore or whatever, you used to get impressions for Bangalore or whatever target area versus the global. Yeah. But now you don't get it.
Only
yes, specific. And how do you, in case you want global keywords, SEO guys will normally need global keyword impressions, okay, keyword searches. So how do you get it? There is a way. There is a simple way. You just have to target all countries. That's all. Okay, target all countries. Whatever searches that you get, okay, prospective searches that you get are for the global. Okay. Else, at a shot, you will not be able to get it anymore. Okay, there are those two changes. That is one, and the other one is
competitor. Search volume competitor.
Search volume competitors. Then I was thinking of something else also.
Every CPC?
Yeah, you need to have a login. Okay, initially we never used to have a login. Okay, you could have done it without login, and we used to get some 100 keywords.
Yes, without login.
If you had login, you will get more. If you don't have login, you used to get some top 100 keywords. But now you need to have an AdWords account login
to access the keyword planner tool.
To access that tool. Okay, so that's the key highlight change. There are quite a few changes, okay, which we can deal with. So you have quite a few targets here. Okay, targeting by region, targeting by language, targeting by partners or only Google. Like for example, Google has a lot of partners, right? So anybody can be partnered with, when you sign off with the content network, okay, you can be a partner of Google, okay. So you will have to decide whether you need searches related to their partners, you want to focus your advertising even for the partners or not, okay. If you're only concentrating on Google search and nothing nowhere else, you just stick to google.com. If you are fine with Google Partner, click on Google Partner, okay, Google and Partners. So partner network has the ability to fetch more traffic for you, and the partner networks will go based on the relevancy, okay. So keep that in mind. So if you are like PPC Workshop India, you will definitely go for partner network because you will have to brand yourself. Any kind of new brand will definitely go for it because it is they are very unknown, and it is good content related stuff will pop up in their partner networks too, so that someone is searching somewhere and your advertising will pop up and people will get to know based on the relevancy. People will get to know. Somebody is reading a PPC article, some search engine land or whatever lands, okay. So they will be able to see your ad. If it is a Google partner, they will be able to see your ad, and by that you get your publicity, okay. Gradually, with having all of those globally people accessing your website, your SEO page also gradually starts increasing, okay. SEO also is very limited by like maybe 1 or 2%. PPC impacts SEO too. Okay, because when multiple people see your advertising and they look into your website, there is every chance that, and if they find it relevant and if they spend some good amount of time in that, the SEO crawlers will definitely identify, and as more and more people start searching for those things, gradually your advertising, your SEO page might come into the first page, or normally it will take 2-3 years. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. So you have regional targeting, language targeting, and partner network targeting. And if you this is again a new part that we have. If you don't need any keywords, if anything that you consider as negative, okay, you can put those terms here. If you don't want to focus on your competitive terms or whatever, you just have to put those. Okay, so that part is taken care, and then you have keyword filters. See, these are all not mandatory. First thing, okay, you can put thresholds. Okay, these are all customizations. You have like this. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, okay. Monthly search, if you want to see something like 1 million searches, greater than 1 million searches, okay, because you want to restrict your keyword list, okay. If you are putting some very generic keyword like insurance, for example, okay, you put insurance and you will get, like, globally you will get millions and millions of keywords. Yes. So to restrict yourself, if you want to restrict yourself, like I need only some 1,000, 2,000 keywords max of, okay, instead of getting 10,000 keyword and then I am filtering all of those, okay. Here what you can do, you can put a threshold of I need monthly search of above this or less than this. If you want to risk it, yes, okay. So only high volume or only low volume. Low volume sometimes will help because you cannot compete with some big giants. Okay.
Bidding will be more for the high volume.
Exactly. There are multiple methods which Ranjan will explain you when he does the keyword optimization part and other stuff. Okay, that's more interesting. And suggested bid. Okay, suggested bid. Why suggested bid is important? Because being a new advertiser, you might not have that much of amount, or if you are like agency guy, your advertiser might not be in a position to spend more than, if you are talking about US language, more than $2 per click. I don't want to spend more than $2 per click because my ROI will go for screw. Okay, they will definitely come back. Okay, so, but he is an insurance guy. You will have to build insurance. Okay. Do you know what's CPC for this one, insurance, the term insurance.
Mortgage, you
In
mean to
US, Insurance.
Okay.
Keyword insurance. To get into the first position of Yahoo, I'm not talking about Google. Okay, I don't know the internal things about Google. I'm talking about Yahoo, wherein the CPCs are cheaper than Google. Okay. The insurance keyword is sold sometimes for $90 to $110. One click.
In the other.
Yes, one click. Okay. So imagine if you are a new advertiser and you are starting up with some $200 or $500 budget, how many clicks will you get if you are bidding on those keywords?
4 or 12.
Yes. So it is that tough to work on PPC in case you are getting such customers. So this type of thresholds will help you. Okay.